Hi everyone, I just want to show you around the new Krebs cycle pathway by Anking. So first you'll notice that everything is within a concept map and a pathway, and these things can be moved or changed as you'd like or added to. As far as your flashcards go, the flashcards are within each node, and to start off, your flashcards will be suspended, so if you want to remove or add or unsuspend your flashcards, you simply click here. And then to study your flashcards, you'll click up here, press start, and then it's immediately going to zoom in on the close deletion mind map. And this is my favorite part, so you can move the mind map around as you'd like to gain some context. You can even zoom in or out. And then you check your answer, you get your spaced repetition, and then it'll take you to the next card. So we hope you like it, and let us know if you have any questions.